In early 2021, as our country faced unprecedented political turmoil and division, Vanderbilt University launched the Project on Unity and American Democracy. We have worked ever since to advance our mission, elevating the role of facts, historical evidence, and meaningful dialogue to heal our nation. As we mark our one-year anniversary and aspire to greater impact, we're delighted to announce the Vanderbilt Unity Project Advisory Board, a group of visionary leaders, scholars, and creative minds united in commitment to our core beliefs as Americans. Together, our advisory board members will widen our reach, drawing on their diverse political beliefs, worldviews, and personal backgrounds. They will share their knowledge and expertise, spanning industries and fields that include music and entertainment, politics and law, journalism, the military, nonprofits, religion, and higher education. These leaders will engage even more Americans in this vital conversation, helping strengthen our common bonds as a nation and uniting us in a commitment to a shared future. We have made significant progress since the Unity Project was launched a little more than a year ago, but immense work remains to be done. Please join us in welcoming our advisory board members and in looking ahead to all that we can accomplish together.